Finish designing your slides. Let's save smart. Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save and export your slides like pro. If you followed the previous videos, by now you know how to get started PowerPoint, work with text, use shapes and images, and even add engaging animation and transitions. You've come a long way, and now it's time to wrap it up by learning how to save and export. Here's what we'll cover in this video. First, saving as PPTX, then exporting as PDF, and last one, exporting as a video. Now subscribe and let's get started. First, let's talk about saving. When you are working on a presentation, always save it as a PowerPoint presentation file with a PPTX extension. This keeps all your animations and transitions and editable content safe. Click on File tab, next Save As, and then choose the location. For example, in this folder, I name it Sample. Then make sure the file type is .pptx. Also, you can use Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac frequently while working. Now, what if you want to share a clean, non-editable version of your slides? Exporting to PDF is a great option. Go to File tab. On the left side, click on Export. And now, click on PDF or XPS document. This frees your slides and make them easy to send via email or upload anywhere with no formatting issues. But what if you want your animations and slide timings to play exactly the way you planned on any devices? Saving your presentation as a video is a perfect solution. This way is perfect for online courses, YouTube, or sending to people who don't have any access to PowerPoint. Again, go to File tab, choose Export, and then select this one. Then you can choose the resolution of your video, set a slide timing, and even include recorded narrations. Then click Create Video and save it as an MP4 file. Now you can share it easily. And never forget to keep backup of your work, especially before making big changes. That's it. Now you know how to save and export your presentation like a pro. Congrats! You've now completed the beginner's lessons. Want to keep going? I've got more advanced tutorials waiting for you. Make sure to check out the next playlist on my channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell. Like, share, and comment below if you like these beginners tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!